Welcome to another video of the Stealth 650 Cafe Build series. In this video, we will be discussing about what exactly is going on to the motorcycle right now. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. As you guys know, I am located in Kerala and we have a lockdown here. So everything is closed. So till now, we were trying to change the rear spoked wheels to an alloy wheel setup. The rear wheels will be same as the Duke 390 alloy wheels. We were trying to install the rear wheel, building a custom axle. It's almost the same procedure like the front end. But then same like the front end, we were in short of certain parts and it was taking a long time to source all those parts. So we got all the parts right now, but then lockdown came. After custom building the axle, we had to make so many other parts as well to complete the rear end. But then the fabrication lathe was completely closed off, so we couldn't do that. As you guys know, Speed Motorrad is the company that I rely on to help me get this mechanical works done. So we were working on it, but then like I said, all these problems came, so I told them to roll it back to stock so that I can ride it back home. Right now I'm at my home in my garage. Like what you guys can see, the bike has got a stock rear wheel and the front end suspension is completely changed. So the rear alloy wheel procedure will be done later after the lockdown. Once the lathe and everything is open, I can go and fabricate certain custom work. This was what was happening till now. Alongside, like you guys know, most of the people who follow me, you guys know that it is very hard to source all the parts for this build. I sourced so many parts for this build for the future as well. So I've already started working on to the rest of the stuff as well. So on this lockdown, I wanted to be productive. The whole plan is to completely change this fuel tank and install a full carbon fiber tank onto this motorcycle. I have a design with me right now. As in I have another tank with me. I'm trying to replicate the design on that tank and make a carbon fiber one to install on this motorcycle. The process is going on. I have another exhaust system. I used to have AEW exhaust to this motorcycle. I've sold it recently because I'm planning to install another exhaust system to reduce more weight. So these are the two things that I'm planning to do on this lockdown. So about the tank, I have a tank with me. I'll show you. So this is the tank that we have for this build. We'll talk about the tank right now. The present condition, before getting into the present condition, I've gone through a lot of process to get this tank till here, So we have restored it completely, primered it. There was a lot of clamps and hooks here. We've taken those off. There was a place where Ducati comes with a tank panel here. There were slots to install that tank panel. I've put silicone gel inside, and also I put body filler. I've added body filler and then made it smooth surface. Also same way here. This is the tank cap area. I've done the same thing. Closed the tank cap area with a cardboard, then added a lot of silicone into it. Made it snug. After that, to make it smooth, I added body filler. Also this portion had a lot of tabs and all those things. Took it off, added body filler and made it like this. So right now this whole tank is ready for mold making. So I'm about to start the process of mold making. Getting this tank till here was a big pain in the. So we'll be starting the fiber molding stuff soon. After the molding, once we get the die, I will start with the carbon fiber. So let's hope we can make a carbon fiber custom tank like this for our motorcycle. Up next, I have a Leovins exhaust. I'll give you guys a peek. So this is the exhaust system for our motorcycle. So it's basically a Leovins exhaust system. It's very minimal, it's very small. It is compatible with 650cc engines. You can actually use this on a 1000cc engine as well. It's called a Leovins GP style exhaust. Usually comes for a Ducati Scrambler, and I just love the style of this. Also it's compatible with our motorcycle, so why not? Looks like a megaphone. It's very small, short. Best thing is it's got one baffle here, another one here. So basically you have an option to remove both the baffles. Motorcycle will be like straight piped. I will be using both the baffles. This thing was also salvaged. I got it from another guy from Bangalore. What I've done was restored the whole exhaust. Right now what is pending is the bend pipe setup. So this lockdown, once I do the tank preparation, I'm also planning to start with the bend pipe preparation. I won't be doing the bend pipe myself because I'm not very good with welding and everything. I'm planning to give it to someone else who can do it for me. So before giving it to somebody, I need to make a stencil or a bend pipe design that I desire. The whole plan is to remove the stock exhaust bend pipes right now that is sitting on the motorcycle. I've bought similar sized PVC pipes. The whole plan is to heat up the PVC pipe, get the bends exactly like what we want, and make the whole design first on PVC pipe, take it to a person who does this and get it all fabricated. That's the whole plan. That is also something that I have in my list on to be done on this lockdown. Hope I can do all these things together. Alright guys, so that is what's happening with the motorcycle right now. I know it's taking a lot of time to finish this project. Again, I'm giving you guys an excuse that this is my first build and I might take some more time for this. Like I'm enjoying the process of doing all these things. So hope I've covered everything. This is just an updation video. We'll be coming up with more videos soon. If you guys are interested in these kind of contents, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you guys don't miss any of my videos. So thank you for watching and have a good one. Peace.